From the cloud for Swift. From the cloud
Fourth time going to campus, fourth year is about to start. My final year.
Where'd all the time go? Starting to fly.
6 seconds. So we had to. I think
Let's go, waving goodbye.
मुझे लगता है मतलब
I get so
ठीक है
look in your eyes.
So I just entered my room, and the first thing that I see is my chair is gone. Like this little fungus. I don't want to touch it, but my chair is gone. And apart from that, that's how the room looks like. Because it's rainy season in Goa, you know, there might be some insects but hey, there's one good thing over here. Ta-da! That's a photo of me and Kushal from Singapore. I'm just gonna place it over here. It's like the only fine thing in the room right now, apart from that Ganpati painting. Yeah, I just have a lot of stuff to unpack. Literally, that's all the stuff that I have, and I have to store it. You know, so let me do that. It'll take a while, I guess. I have to clean everything up and then go to sleep because tomorrow I have my registration of courses at around, I think it's at 10 o'clock or 10:30 something. So I have to wake up early. I have to go to my teacher and I have to get some code that I have to enter before registering. I'm literally sweating right now and I'm so tired. It's past 12 a.m. 1st of August, and yeah, I mean, just let's just settle everything. Yeah. It is raining so heavily in Goa. The floor also is so slippery, and on top of that we have that. Rain and weather completely fucked my chair. Apart from that, this is how the room looks like. I cleaned the bed. I mean, I dusted the bed and I kind of just scraped whatever dirt was on it, and I just put my mattress on that. So I cleaned this chair. As you saw when I came, it was full of fungus. This is the room situation right now. So yeah, let's enjoy this tea, and that's the internet speed of Wi-Fi at Let's Go. Yo, so we had to collect the passcode for registration at grade sheet, which I was not really enthusiastic about. But anyways, I'm thinking to do the registration in Satyam's room. He's with me, by the way, over here, because I'm not sure like what courses do I want to take this semester. But yeah, he does. Something that happened was that I met 3 girls and they came and told me that, hello Bhaiya, I got into bits because of you. They're from Podu Club and all of them from Goa as well. So that was very fun. I not take a video over there because, so yeah, that was fun. I'm meeting a lot of people. Some of them are not there because they're gone for PS final year series. So yeah, let's go and register for courses of the final year. That's a story.
Alright, so I'm back in the room, and after the last clip I did my registration. This semester I'll be having 9 courses. That makes it my heaviest semester so far. Generally at max you have 8 courses, but I have 9 courses because 2 of them were like of 2 credits, so I could take an extra course and I ended up taking one. In case I don't like that course and in case I find the semester to be too heavy, I'll probably drop that course after mid-sems. The intention of making this video was solely because I started making videos when I was in first year of college, and now that I'm starting with 4th year, it says a lot. You know, it's been a long time since I've been making videos, and I wanted to document this last part of my college life because this is going to be my last year on campus. After this I'll be having my internships, so I will not really be coming back to campus after my 4th year. So this is like the final moments I can, you know, document. Although there's like another year on campus, and I've already, like, you know, shifted to campus like 3 times from home, but it still felt a little new. It felt like, you know, I still had that initial excitement that you have when you come to campus. I just wanted to like document that, and I just wanted to you know, make sure that I somehow make videos. Yesterday when I came yesterday, it was very dark, so this is how the hostel looks. It's a little dirty because people are still shifting, and you know, some people are like coming to campus now, so it's a little dirty. But yeah, a lot of my friends have gone for their PS2s. That means they've gone for their internships. A lot of them have also got placed in different companies. Some of them have got PPOs. Some of them have got external offers. So yeah, I mean, I never really realized that fourth year will be coming up so soon, and I just don't know how to feel about it. A lot of my batchmates are getting placed, and they're gonna like move out of college soon. Some of them are not in college because they're doing internships. It just feels like yesterday I joined college, and just yesterday I moved into this hostel. But yeah, everyone is slowly moving out. Everyone is moving on with their lives, and it's kind of hard to digest. So this mess is done by this person. So let's meet this guy. कैसे भाई नितीश?
बढ़िया भाई, क्या चल रहा है?
How's life?
मतलब यार मन नहीं था वापस आने का।
बाकी बताओ, रूम सेटअप कर ले, दिखाना एक बार। एस्टैब्लिश्ड मेरे से बेटर है। तुम्हारे चेयर पे फंगस नहीं हुई ना? मेरी चेयर पे फंगस थी।
बिस्तर पे हो गई थी।
मेरे बिस्तर पे हो गई थी, और मेरे भी ऐसे एक मार्क है वॉल पे भी। बाकी अनचार्टेड, न्यू सेमेस्टर न्यू वाइब्स। ठीक है, तो जैसे अभी नितीश, हम लोग फर्स्ट DSC में रहते थे।
हाँ
वो मेरे ऑपोजिट रहता था रूम के।
हाँ
एंड नाउ हम लोग सिंगल रूम से शिफ्ट हो गए। उसके बाद अभी हमारे बहुत सारे दोस्त इंटर्नशिप्स करने चले गए। बहुत सारे लोगों का लास्ट सेमेस्टर है, बहुत सारे लोगों का तो लास्ट सेमेस्टर हो गया शायद, अर्ली ग्रेड्स। तो क्या लगता है तुम्हें, मतलब हाउ डू यू वांट टू डिस्क्राइब योर कॉलेज लाइफ?
बस मतलब ये है कि इट एंड्स मच बिफोर लाइक व्हाट यू एंटिसिपेट। तो
एंजॉय करो।
हाँ, इनिशियली इट गोज स्लो, पर फिर एकदम से फोर्थ ईयर ये फील होता है।
बिकॉज आज मैं चल रहा था वहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए, आई हैड गॉन टू टीचर, एंड लोग जिस तरह से तुम्हें देखते हैं, लाइक दे आर लाइक बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते थे, लाइक फोर्थ हो आप, सुपर सीनियर हो आप, मतलब कॉलेज में सबसे बड़े आप ही हो, एंड दे आस्क यू डाउट्स एंड स्टफ। सो इट्स लाइक भाई कल ही तो हम लोग डाउट्स पूछ रहे थे लोगों को, एंड सडनली
इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू लाइक
अंडरस्टैंड इट,
digest that nobody is senior to you right now.
that makes sense, because जब like my first day on campus I spent time with seniors. Now it's like people want to spend time with me because I am their senior.
Yeah.
And पहले हम लोग क्लब्स में इंडक्शन देते थे, फिर हम लोग इंटरव्यू लेने लगे। अब हमारा क्लब से नाता हो चुका है पूरा। अब हम लोग अपने
हमारे लाइक कॉडीज भी अब जूनियर होते जब बूढ़े हो गए मेरा।
कोई ना, चलो हम लोग साथ में रहेंगे अभी 1 साल, देखते हैं हाउ इट गोज। एटलीस्ट 10 महीने होंगे हम लोग, तो आफ्टर दैट हम लोग भी चले जाएंगे यहाँ से। यार
There's nothing to keep you from falling in love.
Don't we need this big of a basket? Yeah, do combine people. This is the new drink section, Malakar. They literally have like 15 different types of Monster. I think by the time the sem ends, I'm gonna try all of them. Karke. Adi, how many out of these Monsters have you tried? Zero. Now it's like too modern and too big. Like literally, I don't know how to see it.
So she's always